Hey, it's Ed Weeks Jr., and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on something I've seen in every B2B sales organization I've worked with, whether they're doing $750K a year or 10 million. Most sales teams aren't failing because of lazy reps or bad products. They're failing because their systems are broken or never existed in the first place. So in this episode, I'm going to walk you through the top 5 reasons B2B sales teams underperform, the systems that fix each one, and how you can install what I call the revenue stack to grow faster and close bigger deals. Let's jump in. Let's start with the hard truth. B2B sales isn't just about talent. It's about systems. And most teams don't have one. They rely on a few rockstar reps, duct tape CRMs, vague messaging, and zero accountability. Here are the top 5 silent killers I see over and over again. 1. No defined ICP, ideal customer profile. Reps spend time talking to people who are never going to buy. They chase activity instead of qualified pipeline. 2. No clear or consistent messaging. If your sales team says one thing, your website says another, and your marketing content says something else, your buyer gets confused, and confused buyers don't buy. 3. No lead scoring or prioritization. Not every lead deserves the same effort. Without a lead scoring system, reps chase cold leads instead of warming up hot ones. 4. No follow-up process. 80% of deals close after the 5th touchpoint. Most reps quit after 2. Without a follow-up cadence built into your CRM or sales system, pipeline turns into a graveyard. 5. No accountability or tracking. If you can't measure it, you can't manage it. Without clear KPIs and dashboards, forecasts become fiction and leadership flies blind. So how do we fix it? Enter the revenue stack. Think of it as the foundational system your B2B sales team needs to consistently win. Here's what it includes. 1. ICP plus buyer journey mapping. Get ultra clear on your best customer. What triggers their search? What questions do they ask at each stage? What pain are you solving? 2. Unified messaging framework. Your reps should be using the same language that your marketing team is using. Align everyone on problem, solution, results. Use battle cards. Use objection handling cheat sheets. Use consistent messaging. 3. Lead scoring system. Use firmographics, behaviors, and engagement metrics to prioritize leads. If someone watches 3 webinars, opens 5 emails, and visits your pricing page, they're a red-hot lead. Treat them like it. 4. Automated plus manual follow-up system. Set up automated follow-ups for low-touch outreach, and layer manual high-touch follow-ups for your hot deals. Use sequences, reminders, even AI-powered chat to keep leads warm. 5. Performance dashboards, plus coaching track inputs, calls, emails, meetings, track outputs, pipeline, closed deals, but also track conversion points at each stage. Coach based on the data, not on gut feelings. Let me tell you what your top 10% of reps are doing differently. They build their own mini revenue stack, even if leadership hasn't. They have a repeatable system for pre-call research, personalized outreach, strategic follow-ups, objection handling, closing with urgency and confidence. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. Just install the system and coach it consistently. If you're tired of underperformance, unpredictability, and pipeline panic, start with your systems. That's what Revenue Stack is all about. I'll be launching the newsletter soon with playbooks, frameworks, and behind-the-scenes wins from my clients and partners. Want the preview issue? Drop Stack in the comments or DM me Stack, and I'll send it to you early. And if you found this helpful, subscribe, like the video, and share it with your team. Let's fix the broken B2B sales machine together. See you in the next one.